welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making another Christmas cake, and this time it is a Christmas tree cake. Let's get started. I started out frosting an 8-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. I wanted the cake to be a bit bigger than usual, so I had a bit more room to make the Christmas tree. I had put some green buttercream in a piping bag without a tip and started with the outline, trying to make it symmetrical. I filled it with more green buttercream and smoothed it on with an offset spatula. Then I piped a thin black line to be the light cord. In retrospect, maybe it went a bit overboard on the light cord. I added lights as dots of yellow buttercream. I added some silver dragées to be the Christmas balls. Then I added some red and white star sprinkles. I added some tiny sprinkles as well, cleaned up the stray sprinkles on the white buttercream and smoothed it back out. I piped a yellow star on top. Then I piped stars along the side of the cake. And I placed green and red star sprinkles on the border. I think this cake is very sweet and Christmassy. What's more Christmassy than a Christmas tree? Merry Christmas! For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Support us on Patreon and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.